What's up, guys? Aaron's here with an exclusive hit on GOAT yesterday with the innovation, came with the book from of course, GOAT. Just unboxed. Let's take a closer look. We'll do a little unboxing. We're gonna do a little bit. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm a UK fan. I'm wearing my UK shirt. Didn't do that on purpose. But these, I'm a huge fan of What the Dunks, and these are super sharp. Totally, these are beautiful shoes. So let's take a look at them.